The former Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi and 7 others, including the Iranian Foreign Minister, died in a helicopter crash back in May, caused by challenging climatic conditions, including dense fog. This is according to an Iranian military report. Now, the crash occurred in a mountainous area of northwestern Iran, with no signs of sabotage found. Raisi, considered a protégé of Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, was seen as a potential future leader of Iran, CBS News has reported. He was the second Iranian president to die in office, following Mohammad Ali Raji's death back in 1981.